though.
Ready? Hi.
I say, hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. That's what I say, so.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
And today, we're gonna be pranking our friend Sydney. So that is Emily behind the camera. You guys have never met her before. And we're at Spirit Halloween right now because we're gonna do a fake blood, like throwing up blood prank on her. So we're going to get the capsules because then we can also
blood
talk.
capsules.
The blood capsules. Yes.
And she's gonna have blood capsules in her mouth, and Sydney's gonna think she's dying, and we're gonna hide our phone. She can't call 911. It's gonna be really funny. And then if it works well, if it goes well, I'm gonna start having blood come out my mouth.
Then Emily's gonna also have one.
And then we're gonna see what Sydney does when she thinks that she's good next.
She's gonna be next.
And it's perfect.
We're gonna be on the iPhone cam because
we're not that extra.
I'm not gonna take a camera in public. I'm not doing that. So we will see you in Spirit Halloween. Perfect.
We could get like, I feel like this won't be that much.
How much are they?
$3.
So okay, yeah, that's easy. Just the blood capsules. They look like little eggplants.
Sid, can you come here?
Are you okay?
I'm like coughing blood.
That's not good.
I know, I don't know what to do.
Is it bad? Like a lot?
Yeah.
Do you have to go to the emergency room? That's scary. Let's look it up.
Okay. What happened? I'm coughing up blood. Can you guys get water? Yeah, I'll get some water. What?
It says coughing up blood can be a sign of a medical condition. Infections and problems in the blood vessels. Coughing up blood can be alarming, but it isn't usually a sign of a serious problem if you're young and otherwise healthy, and is often the result of prolonged coughing or a chest infection.
I don't know.
Maybe it's because you've just been coughing too much that your lungs are like infected. Coughing? Is it still happening?
I'm just like, I want to throw up. Like, I don't know. Wait, Sid.
Yeah?
Come here. That's scary. I don't know. If I need to go,
maybe it's just bronchitis.
If I need to go to the ER, can we go?
Yeah? It's okay, just go. I can drive. It smells like fruit punch. Did you have anything red to drink? So you're sure it's blood? Does it taste like blood, like iron? Yeah, we should go. Just to be safe. Yeah, dude, we're going.
Oh my god. Dude, wait, there's like shit coming out. Like chunks.
Yeah, that doesn't look right.
What do I do?
Here, one sec.
It's like all in my mouth.
Huh?
Wait, did I do something? Wait, Sid, what do we do?
We're gonna go. Is it gonna cost a lot of money?
I don't know what it is.
Well,
Come here, let's just think first. Let's just think for a second. What could be going on?
it's happening to you too now? Look, did it just happen when you saw her?
Yes.
Should I tell my dad?
Huh?
Should I tell my dad?
No, I wouldn't. I think it's fine. I mean, I feel better now.
But that coughing up blood is not normal.
Well, yeah, I know, but did I shake it? Do you
And
feel
the fact that
okay?
you both are now,
Do you feel okay?
I feel fine, but now I'm scared.
Oh my god, it's like all in my mouth. What the hell? Are you okay? No. Why are you sitting all the way over there?
Whatever it is, it's contagious.
I mean, I didn't do anything to like give it to you.
Guys, that's freaky. The fact that that's not good. I think we should go
Maybe
somewhere.
I should get. Hang on, let me see if I can find anything.
There's no, if you look it up, it's not going to tell you what's wrong with you.
I know, but I might as well get a try. My phone's like on a sideways setting. I don't know.
Should I ask my stepdad
Yeah. Like text him?
or call him?
I don't know. No, maybe not.
I don't want you guys to die. It's freaking me out.
Okay. Do you feel like you're like? I don't know, maybe I just have adrenaline. I don't know.
Do you feel better now?
I mean, I'm shaking. Like, I feel shaky.
Could it? Are you busy right now? It's actually kind of freaking me out. My friend Emily and Jordan are here, and Jordan said she didn't feel good, so she went to the bathroom, and she started coughing up blood in the sink, and it was like chunks, and it was gross. And yeah, I'm fine though, and I don't know what's wrong with them. It's freaking me out though. Do you think it's serious?
My stomach was hurting. Emily, did your stomach hurt?
Here, I'll put you on speaker so Jordan can talk, because I don't really know. Can you say that again, Russ?
Do you guys tell if the blood was coming from the stomach or coughing it up from the lungs?
Well, it was like bright red.
She said it was bright red. Could you feel where it was coming from, though? Like, did you feel it going up your stomach or from your lungs?
I just felt like I had to like throw up, but then I was also coughing it, so I don't know.
Oh, she said she felt like she had to throw up, but when she went to go throw up, she was like coughing it.
So yeah, your question is that serious? Yeah, it's kind of alarming to have blood come from either your stomach or your lungs.
It's just confusing me because whatever it is, it's contagious because it happened to Jordan, and then 5 minutes later, it happened to Emily. But nothing happened to
Yeah,
me.
I don't know if it's contagious or not, because usually those things don't happen that quickly. I mean,
Yeah.
were they feeling ill yesterday? Have they been having a fever, lost some
I've
appetite?
had,
Urgent care's open?
That would be the
yeah. There's one that's open 24 hours. I
Should
had
we
to
just go to that?
Yeah,
I feel like
let's
that's
just go
cheaper.
there.
That's still a lot for a co-pay. But I guess it's better than dying.
It's better than, yeah.
you think we should just go to urgent care? I hope it doesn't happen to me. I'm scared because obviously
Yeah,
it's contagious.
That's crazy that they both went in the bathroom and did the same thing within 5 minutes of each other.
I know. That's what's freaky. They should just find out no matter what, because that doesn't seem right.
Yeah, it does not seem right. I agree.
How about we go? How about we go and just say it's Jordan, and so they can see what's wrong, because it's obviously the same thing.
I just don't feel like going anymore. Yeah, or like maybe like we could just realize that like this whole thing is just like weird and it's just been a prank the whole time.
right, so that was this video for this week. I would say that we got Sydney pretty good.
I totally believed it.
You totally did.
I
We were
hate you
so
guys.
scared that you were gonna like be like, oh no. Are you sure? Like you weren't gonna like.
I
do
had
anything.
no-
I thought you wouldn't care for
Yeah.
some reason.
Why would I not care?
I thought you'd be like, you're fine. Go home and take a nap.
So that is it, and I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Okay, I guess I'll do it by myself. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys would like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.
Next week, is it weekly?
Yeah.
Sorry, you can do that again if I fucked up.
No, I'm gonna leave that in just because it's funny.